You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in Spanish, meaning a race or racing. If you're curious, yes, the Porsche name Carrera comes from Spanish, from a race in Mexico called Carrera. That's how you pronounce it in Spanish, Carrera, because you have double R first. You need to make that part really long. Carrera, Carrera. It comes from Carrera Panamerica. Carrera is your Spanish pronunciation. In English, Carrera. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.